Turn the vehicle to the accessory position. Navigate to the Bluetooth Sync menu. You should receive a message confirming the connection on your vehicle. On most vehicles, you will see a Bluetooth symbol somewhere on the screen that confirms the connection with your device. Some vehicles will not allow you to pair more than a set number of devices. If you have trouble pairing your device with your vehicle, try deleting other devices and pairing yours. The process for syncing your phone to your vehicle can vary depending on what type of phone you have. Go to the Settings section on your phone and navigate to Bluetooth. Select Scan for Device and wait for the vehicle to appear. Select the vehicle in order to pair your device.
Depending on your vehicle, you may need to compare the number on your device with the number on the screen of the vehicle. If you're prompted for a password and don't know it, try 12340000 or ABCD.
One common issue is that the Bluetooth on the device is turned off. On most phones, the Bluetooth will automatically turn off when the battery is low. Check your phone to make sure the Bluetooth is enabled if you are experiencing difficulty.